to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is Russian president on state visit first since start of the Ukraine war. Modi Putin talks today. Strategic economic 2030 roadmap likely. So the Russian president Vladimir Putin arrived in New Delhi on a 2-day state visit, marking its first visit since the start of the Ukraine war. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as you can see here, is expected to discuss the development on strategic economic roadmap till 2030. Now, again, it is very important, strategic economic roadmap till 2030, and it is aimed at strengthening long-term bilateral cooperation. The agenda includes defense, the agenda includes manpower pact, Eurasian Economic Union Free Trade Agreement FTA, and collaboration on Arctic ship build. Bilateral focus is also there despite Western pressure. India continues to engage with Russia despite US sanctions and geopolitical pressure. While India has almost halted the import of Russian oil following US penalty tariffs, it aims to secure time-tested defense ties and expand cooperation into new sectors such as manpower, civil nuclear energy, and trade diversification. Now there is cultural diplomacy and soft power as well. So again, cultural diplomacy and soft power. Putin received a copy of Gita Press edition of Bhagavad Gita reflecting India's use of cultural soft power to maintain strong ties. This signifies New Delhi's intent to stabilize relations with Russia on multiple fronts, may it be strategic, may it be cultural, may it be economic. Now there's also talks about nuclear cooperation. So SMRs and large reactors, Russia's state-run nuclear agency Rosatom. Please do remember the name, Rosatom. SMRs in India for targeting applications, new generation large nuclear reactors, joint manufacturing under Make in India initiative. Rosatom aims to position its next-gen reactor technology at the core of India-Russia nuclear partnership, especially after recent bilateral talks in Mumbai. Okay, now talks are taking place amid shifting global geopolitics, maybe Ukraine war or the Western sanctions. India aims to balance relations, maintaining ties with Russia while strengthening Western partnerships. Oil imports dynamic shifting due to penalty tariffs, and civil nuclear cooperation is long-standing pillar into Indo-Russia ties. For example, Kundan-Kulam project. Now, let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this topic. So, it is very highly relevant to GS Paper 2 International Relations, GS Paper 3 Science and Tech, and GS Paper 3 Economy Perspective as well as for current affairs also. It is again highly relevant topic. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.